What's up guys, if you are looking for the best budget dashcam for your car, here is the list you must see. I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its detailed use information on the products, I have included links in the description box, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. First up, the Nexbase 622 gram. The Nexbase 622 is a new flagship dashcam that has proven to be the finest dashcam you can purchase right now. In our tests, it provided significantly improved video quality and stabilization, as well as what 3 words geolocation services for locating stricken cars within a 3-meter radius. We chose to film in 4K 30p because the resulting video looked almost cinematic in its presentation, with highly crisp definition and excellent detail, even in low-light conditions. This makes it much simpler to locate registration numbers or identify difficult-to-see elements of an accident. A built-in polarizing filter on the front of the camera can be rotated to reduce glare from windscreens, and digital image stabilization is another first for the dashcam market, helping to smooth out bumps and shakes produced by potholes and bad road surfaces. This model, like its 522 sister, can be controlled by voice using Alexa skills, but it needs the accompanying smartphone app, which we didn't think was the best we tried. Despite the new dual 2.4 GHz plus 5 GHz Wi-Fi, we found it difficult to link to phones to transfer images and video clips. The 3-inch rear touchscreen is thankfully crisp, clear, and simple to use, and the inclusion of what 3 words works well with Nexbase's emergency SOS function, which comes with a year's free subscription with this dashcam. Thumbs up from here. Up next, the Ventru N4. The Ventru N has premium features like 2160 pixels 4K resolution in its main camera, night vision, and 24-hour parked car monitoring to capture hit-and-run drivers, but it costs half the price of some similar models. It has interior and rear cameras, as well as a front-facing camera, so it can document your car's movements and your surroundings from 3 distinct viewpoints. It's small and unobtrusive on a windshield, and its 3-inch screen is bright and simple to read. It has an easy-to-use menu and control buttons that are plainly labeled and easily accessible. And while it isn't as well suited to sub-freezing temperatures as our other picks, it is intended to function in extremely hot climates like the American South and Southwest. Unlike some of our other recommendations, the N lacks app connectivity for viewing and downloading video offline. However, we believe that most people would not miss that feature because viewing footage on the camera or with a microSD card reader is still reasonably convenient. The N also lacks built-in GPS tracking, but you can simply add it by purchasing a GPS mount from Ventru $20 at the time of writing. It's a very good choice for you. Next up, the Garmin Dashcam Mini 2. If you want a dashcam that no one will notice, we suggest the Garmin Dashcam Mini 2, which is one of the smallest and most discreet models we've tested. The Mini 2 is about the size of a key fob and practically disappears on the windshield. Still, it has surprisingly good video quality for a 1080% single camera model, and its windshield mount is one of the best we've seen. It sticks firmly to the windshield with adhesive, but magnets allow you to easily remove everything except a small plastic circle when you want to throw the camera in the glove box or move it to another vehicle. It includes many of the same features as larger models such as night vision, 24-hour parked car monitoring, built-in Wi-Fi, and voice control. Because the Mini 2 only has 2 physical buttons and no display, you must use Garmin's smartphone app to watch video, adjust settings, and even correctly aim the camera. Next up, we present the Thinkware F800 Pro. The Thinkware F800 Pro has a low profile, which makes it less noticeable on the front windscreen than some of its competitors, and its rear camera complements the design language beautifully. We were surprised by the clarity of the recording while on the move. The 1080p footage is well balanced and so excellent that it has previously put some 1440p cameras to shame. The recording also adjusts rapidly for exposure. Shadows and glare had less effect. The F800 Pro really shined in the night test, where we were able to pick out excellent detail from side streets, see pedestrians and cyclists quickly, and read license plates on parked cars more easily. The rear camera also surprised us with its clarity of footage, and we liked how simple it was to wire in. The price is a sticking issue. The F800 Pro is significantly more expensive than its entry-level competitors, but it is the superior shooter. It's a great option for you. Lastly, we present to you the Nexer Pro. The Nexer Pro is a dual camera solution that can record video both inside and outside a vehicle and is aimed at those who spend extended time behind the wheel. The setup, which consisted of 2 separate camera units connected by a cable, was fairly cool, even if it took up quite a bit of screen real estate. The Nexer app is at the heart of the twin camera experience. It's where you can fine-tune settings, create incident reports, and upload recorded clips to the cloud. Nexer bundles cloud storage for free. Other useful tools include break-in alerts and GPS data logging if someone attempts to tamper with your vehicle. This dashcam does not capture in 4K, but its 1080p video is perfectly suitable. Even in challenging shooting conditions, like torrential rain or bright sunlight, the external camera performs excellently. There are less expensive dash cams with fewer features to play with, but if the security of your vehicle is important to you, the Pro is hard to beat in terms of protection and overall value. Alright guys, that's all from my end. This product delivers premium quality at the best possible price-quality ratio. You want the best, you can get it. If you need more information, or if you want to know the product price, check out my description and hit the bell button for the upcoming video. We'll see you back here soon.